guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Supastan. Now this is V75 Index. I want to show you guys the latest strategy on how to make money from V75. Now the first thing we're going to do is look at the market on V75. This strategy work on all synthetic indices and forex markets. Okay, what do we do first? It's a combination of price action and indicators. That's what I use to achieve the strategy, and it's working perfectly well. You end up making bigger money. Even if you have a $5 account, you can grow the account within a month to $1,000. I'll show you how to do it. Now let us go. Let me illustrate this to teach you guys how it works before I trade live tomorrow. Now what we do first of all is we are on our H4 time frame. We support the market for a downtrend. So what do? We pick up our trend line to do this. We've gotten our trend line for a selling market. We can see that the market is a downtrending market, so we insert our indicators to give us our entry positions on our H4. So what do? We go to our indicators. On the left hand side, you can see indicators, sign, move to moving average, tap moving average. You tap your moving average, you give it period 60. Next, then the color should be green. Okay, green color. And then if you check, you score that the shift is 0, method is simple. Save. Now we'll go back again to click the F symbol again on the right hand side, move to moving average again. This time around we're going to add period 15. Okay, next, then the color we can use blue. Let's use blue. Then we click on save. So we have 60, 15. The third one we're using is moving average 5. You can make the next color, can make the color to be black and click on OK. So we have 60, 15, 5. Okay, the first one, which is the highest one, is 60, the next one is 15, the last one is 5. So go back to our chart. You can see that we have 3 moving averages on our charts, which is the moving average 60, 15 and 5. Okay, now what's the help of moving average to help us know where the market will be taking our sell entry. Remember, the first thing we did was to get our channel, that we are on a downtrending channel with our price action. Now we inserted our moving average to be able to give us direction of to know where to enter the sell. And what do we do in the market now? Let me just take us to the last previous one. Okay, on the chart, this way we are on our H4 time frame. This strategy works perfectly well. I've passed both with strategy. I make money with strategy. This is so easy. Okay, so let's go. What do? We wait for the price. When the price is also, since we are on a downtrend, wait for the price to pull back to hit our moving average and close below the moving average 60 for us to be able to be sure that we need to see a sell. We want the price to close below the moving average 60. After closing below the moving average 60, that means opening this one book, we just add our vertical line on that spot. Okay, spotting this one now, because this one closes above and this one closes inside. So this is the left that we have now. Now what do we do after making this candlestick? We move to our M15 time frame. M15. I'm teaching you guys this perfect strategy that I used in making the market. Now what do? You see this when you open your M15. You will draw a trend line back to our price action. Pick up a trend line, and from the last candlestick you can find, you draw a trend line connecting this way. Okay, this is what we have now. I'm just going to show you guys how I keep the market. Correct the line. We have this. Good. This is the what we have now. As at the point where the price was like this, you can see the level is very far from the price. This our line is very far from the price. I want to sell the market. So what do? We are waiting for this our main entry position. As at when the price will break below this trend line on price action, that's when we can enter the market. But we can still enter one of the entry as the aggressive. So let me show you how to take the aggressive part. Now you can zoom out and draw on that trend line, closer one, connecting 2 points. So pick up this one, and this is the place that we marked. This was the line that we mark when the price closed below. Okay, this vertical line, okay. So we put our trend line this way. Now you see when we do this, you will put it that the price is showing us that the market is an uptrend on M15. Why did I say so? Look at 60 is below, 15 is above, and 5 is above. So we need the price to turn around to give us that sell signal. So we can't take a trade for here because we are seeing a buy on 15 minutes here. So which means we have to adjust to this guy, and it's still giving us buy. We adjust and you adjust and adjust. So let's adjust to this level. The price came here and closed below, but we can't take a trade from this level. So what we have to wait for is for the price to push inside the moving average to close below, and the price closed below and retested. You remember in price action what we trade is when the market break out, it must retest for you to take a sell or a buy. Now the market closed below the moving average 60, which is the highest moving average that gives us a direction of trend. It closed below it and it came back to retest it. On this retest of touching the moving average back, what do? We set our first entry over here to take a sell, okay, and our stop loss will be just above this candlestick that break below the trend line. Okay, let's see. So you can see our stop loss will come back. Sorry, this is our entry level, and our stop loss will be above this price, this candlestick that close above our trend line. Okay, so that's the first entry. And our TP, let me zoom it to show you where our TP will be. Our TP will then be just at the entry of this place. So this is our first entry. So you can watch, we are risking, if you take a note, we see that we are risking $1.8 to make $6 in a single trade, and it's possible we make this money for sure. Now what do we do next? Now if you have a account of $10 now and you want to risk $4, what do? You come over here, you just change this guy from this guy, make it to become 1, and look at what we can do. It's too large, so go back, add 0.5. You can see it's still harsh. Let's go to 0.3. 0.3 is $5. We're risking half of our capital of $10 to make $19. Breakouts, you can see the breakouts. When we have this breakout, all the only thing we can do, once we see this breakout, we take the sell. So as soon as we see a pure breakout that close below the trend line, we take a sell and put our stop loss above the trend line that broke it. So our new sell will be on this candlestick, stop loss here, and let me go to higher time frame to show you what we can make. On H4 we have this. You can see the market giving us over $10, risking $1 to make over $10. Even if you're making just $10, because it's H4, so we must have at least $10 in any trade we take with our lowest loss size in any market we are taking. So you can imagine this. So imagine that you have $50 in your account, and you're risking about 0.1 in this market. $14, you are making 100 plus. What if you are risking 0.5 and you are risking, this is big, you are risking 0.3, you're risking $45, and let me use 20, about 20, 0.2, okay, 0.2 is about $29, and you're making $200 in a single trade. You know how much this money is in our Nigeria currency now. This is how I kill the market, but I'll be trading live tomorrow morning to show you guys how I take my entry. I'm recording my trade live, so this is just how the strategy works. So you can go back and back test it and leave a comment for me on the comment section so I can see and answer your questions. Let me know what you think about the strategy. It's working well. Back test it and come and tell me your results. Okay, I have my Telegram channel on the description post. You see my Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel to tell me if you have back test this strategy, back test this in any pair at all you feel like, and you see the great results, and get back to me. So I'll be posting, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video. Click on the bell so that when I post my next video, you'll be able to see how I see the video and join. So thanks for watching. Bye bye for now, guys.